Alright guys, guess what? I got the new blow motor installed. Right here is the new one. Looks shiny and beautiful. It's the same motor. Everything's same. RPM, half horsepower. And here's the old one. This one is shot. So, what? Can you hear the squeeze? Yeah, the shaft bearing internally was shot. The low AC and the power line is connected. And the ground also connected. So I'll push it in place. What happened? I got the wheel in here. All lined up, alignment, so no squeeze. That's good news. Let's do it and play. Let's make any good sounds. There's a whole blow housing. Everything all connected. Power's on. The motors being replaced. All the connections connected. Lights on. The green lights on. It's coming. Ignition. Things doing as it should. Let the safety lights on. Blows kick in. Nice move. Smooth sound with the motor. Very smooth. Quiet. Even you had to be very listen careful to hear the blow. It's so quiet. Stage 2.